Hello and welcome to this baconbits video. This is part 2 of manual profile installation. In this video we'll be actually installing profiles on an iPad and an iPhone. So let's get to it. Under administration, MDM, I'll go to my enrollment profiles. And what we learned from the last video is that we have 3 types of enrollment profiles. And each of those enrollment profiles does allow you some customization, except of course for the ABM, which is again to be thought of as the company owned, company used, no personal or employee usage. This one has all permissions allowed. Okay, so let's get started. I think I'll start with my iPhone. Go. Okay. First thing I need to do is download the profile. You can see the URL down here. Typing on these is going to be difficult. Sorry it's so slow. This is finger typing. Here we go. I have it saved already. Alright, let's input a PIN for our ABM profile. And enroll. So it's enrolling a profile. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? And allow. Profile downloaded. Close. Now we're going to go to settings, general, VPN and device management, enrollment profile. You see there's one ready for us to install. So let's do that. Install profile. Okay. Blah blah blah. Warning, warning, warning. And trust. Okay, the profile is installed. And what you'll notice is that once the profile is installed and all your network settings are in place, that this will show up on your pending table extremely quick. It takes about a minute, 5 minutes at the most, but that's at the very most. I've never seen it take that long. Okay, great. Now, in case you have an iPad, let's walk through the iPad. Profile. Let's allow that profile downloaded. Close and general. VPN and device management, enrollment profile, install profile, install, trust. Okay, profile is now installed. Thank you so much for watching this baconbit video on how to manually enroll your devices into Bacon MDM. Stay crispy, stay salty, go bacon.